Hello, welcome to day 28 of 30 days of self-love. Today, we'll take a look at the rolling hills of life. And as long as we're breathing, as long as our feet are on the earth, we will have rolling hills. The sooner we can let go of the idea that if we work hard enough, life will be home free. We can retire into happiness. The sooner we let go of that, the happier we will be. We are here for challenges. We are here for lessons. We are hardwired for struggle. We are born to be perfectly imperfect. And I hope this 30-day program has pointed you to the brightest and best part of yourself that is here on the uphill and the downhill. Bring your hands together in front of your heart and just take a moment here in a gesture of gratitude. Take some deep breaths and join me in looking at the road behind us. Every step we've made on this earth has brought us here. We have been through many ups and downs on our way to this point. Take a moment to embrace yourself for getting through the hard times. And embrace yourself in recognition of celebration of the great times, the easy times, the downhills. I'd like you to lean back a little bit, wherever you're sitting, on a chair or the floor, just lean back. Feel the tension when you're living in the past. The past, my friend, is finished with you. You are no longer welcome back there. So come back here to the present moment and notice how much easier it is to be here. Lean forward and feel the way your front body constricts to hold you here. There is effort in being ahead of yourself. The future is not ready for you yet. You are an unwelcome guest. It's like showing up at dinner party too early. Come back to the center and notice how easy it is to be here. Breathe in, let your breath take you up a hill. Breathe out, let your breath help you descend a hill. Sitting here in the present moment, breathe like rolling hills. Sitting in this moment, we can look back with gratitude for all of it, the ups and the downs. They made us who we are, and they brought us to this point. And if that is true, we can pause here in this present moment, aware that all of the rolling hills ahead of us will get us someday to a new destination. And we will again be exactly where we're supposed to be. We can trust that the rolling hills of life are our path. Stay here in this moment between an up and a down. Take a moment in gratitude for what's here now, acknowledging where you've been and not leaning into where you're going. Not yet. Be here. Release your hands down to your lap, palms up. Take a huge breath of air in. Sigh it out. And proceed with the rest of your day, the ups and the downs, staying as present as you possibly can. Namaste.